Hello there YouTube, TechSavagePro here, and today, as you can tell, I'm going to be showing you how to hide the notification badges. And if you're not quite sure what those are, it's these little red tabs up here with the numbers, like my email, if you can see that. I know the camera's not really focusing because of the light, but basically, it's the red little bar right there, and it's not going to like get rid of it, but it's going to make it blend in perfectly with the wallpaper around it. So as you can tell, I have like a rainbow like sheen to the background of my phone, and we're going to just quickly change that. Now of course, like any other video, all links will be in the description below, and later on, maybe in a future video, I'm going to show you how to do a few other things with this app, which is really cool. But for now, we're just going to be showing how to hide the badges, which will give you a really nice and clean look and make your home screen really smooth looking. But basically, you want to download the app that is mentioned in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. And I'm not sure if this is available on Android, but this is more of a iOS focused video, so go ahead and get that. And then once you open the app, hit the little wish wand icon at the bottom, and this will open a like gradient type interface. Go ahead and click the icon looking thing at the bottom, and then scroll all the way down till you find one that's like minimalistic or something like that, and then you can just click it. So once you scroll down far enough, it's minimal red. Go ahead and just click that. As you can tell, you can already see where this is going, so you don't really need to do anything else. Just go ahead and hit the save icon, and then it will ask you to share. So go ahead and hit the save button after hitting share, and it's going to save 2 pictures. It's going to save one or two of the regular picture that you want to save, and it's going to save one of your phone. Now as you can tell, because this is like a specialty wallpaper, the text goes from white to black because it wants to give you a more optimal experience. And it kind of glitched out right there. As you could tell, it went from black to white to adapt. But basically, you're just gonna click both, or you can just set it as your home. But like I said, it perfectly blends in with the wallpaper. My battery is kind of like red right there, but it like blends in. It's actually yellow, but it gives a very nice and clean look. As you can tell, my mail icon has like a little cut in it to give like a smooth look, and I think that looks really nice. But that's my opinion. Hopefully you did like this video, and if you did like the little trick that I showed you, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and if you want to share any future video tips or ideas, go right ahead. And if you need support down in the comments, feel free to comment on that as well. Of course, again, subscribe and hit those bell notifications. Make sure that they're turned always on so you never miss a video. And as always, peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.